Why do I always prefer a train journey? The answer is very much simple. I always prefer train journey because it is super comfortable and economic friendly as well. I also feel safe and secure on a train journey. I usually travel to different places by train. I can enjoy natural beauties throughout my journey. I also explore the lush greenery areas of Bangladesh. Rivers, canals, bridges, trees, paddy fields, and tiny villages. It all looks so fascinating to me. Sometimes I listen to music or podcast throughout my journey. It makes me happy and peaceful. On top of that, I enjoyed the moment very much.